Its impact is quite rampant in everybody's life. From 2027 to 2030, you will see the disruption and change that is going to erupt. Therefore, I'm going to make at least 3 videos or a series of videos on how to learn quantum computing on your own. Quantum computing is actually very tough for people like us from arts background, but it is not impossible, provided you follow step-by-step process on how to learn quantum computing and its strategies. Remember, science graduates are taking 1 year. Let's say science graduates is taking 1 year to learn quantum computing, but for arts graduate it will take around 2 to 3 years to learn, because science graduates already know what is quantum mechanics, linear algebra, integration, calculus. But we arts graduate need to start from classical mechanics before learning quantum mechanics. And also, apart from the concept of classical mechanics, you need to know the basics of trigonometry or linear algebra. After learning the basics of all these stuff like classical mechanics and some parts of trigonometry and the foundation and the basics of linear algebra, you can then start with the basics of quantum mechanics and mathematics related to quantum mechanics, like higher level linear algebra. And remember, I'm not an ID specialist. I'm also a beginner learner of quantum mechanics, and I'm just trying to learn the quantum computing. I joined Udemy to see how the courses are. I joined one course titled Complete Mathematics Masterclass, College and University Level, which they claim is a beginner level mathematics course, but it is actually not a beginner level course. That course is actually tough for arts graduate like me. I found some courses on YouTube channels and platforms, online platforms, online books, hard copies that teach a portion of linear algebra, classical mechanics, quantum mechanics quite easily. I will make some videos as a reference on how you can start learning quantum computing before you start journey on artificial intelligence, blockchains, machine learning, or any other course in quantum computing. After I complete 3 videos on quantum computing as an information dissemination, I will make one video on how to learn cloud computing as well on your own. Cloud computing is a different concept, so please don't mix the concept of cloud computing with the quantum computing. Before closing my discussion on quantum computing, let me explain what quantum computing is from a layperson's point of view. Some of you might have this question, so that's why you will easily understand when you compare the concept of quantum computing with traditional computers. Now, a traditional computer is the one which we are using currently. This is also a traditional computer which is I'm using to shoot this video. Whenever you see someone working on a computer, that is a traditional computer. Now, whatever computer you have now at your home or in the office is the traditional computer. The traditional computer goes on a single path or works on a single path. Suppose you are walking down on the road, and after some distance, that single path bifurcates into two ways, or it becomes two-pronged ways or two ways. You will go either left or right. You as a single person cannot go both ways simultaneously at the same time. You will only go one direction or take a single road, or either left or right. So this is how traditional computer works. It takes only a single path. But in quantum computing, this issue or bottleneck does not exist. You can go on a single path if you want, left or right, or you can go also on both paths or two roads simultaneously. In other words, you as a single person can go both roads or both ways at the same time. That's the fascinating thing about quantum computing. It's like science fiction, right? So actually, quantum mechanics makes this possible. So my dear friends and my dear seniors, time is running out fast. Before it gets delayed, start learning quantum computing and explore the endless possibilities. And stay tuned for the next 2 videos for the sources and the platforms you need to follow and join. So wait for those 2 videos.